Hi, my name is Mario. I'm a computer science and engineering student at Carlos III University of Madrid, and I have something important to tell you. You can help to find a cure for the coronavirus from your room, and thus collaborate so that we all get out of this as soon as possible, saving thousands of lives. In this video, I will show you how to use the underutilized power of your computer to help scientists perform the calculations they need to find a cure for this pandemic. You will need a computer with a good graphic card, an internet connection, and a power outlet nearby, so you can do it from your living room. Let's see how we can do it. I introduced you to Folding at Home, a distributed computing project involving universities like Stanford or the University of Washington, and companies like Google and Nvidia that seeks to simulate the dynamics of proteins, including their folding, which explains its name. Briefly, what they are going to do is use the computing power of your computer when you are not using it to find the cure for various diseases such as coronavirus, but also Alzheimer or Parkinson's. To download the software, we must go to their website, which I shall leave you in the description below, and also follow the instructions stated in the tutorial. It is possible to download the software on macOS, Linux, Windows and Android. The process is very similar between them, so stay here to find out how to do it. To handle the configuration options, this software is handled from a browser, so when it finishes installing, you will be presented with a browser window that will try to find the program on your computer. All you have to do is open the program and wait for it to pair up. Once they have found each other, you will be able to configure the settings to your liking. Select the cure for the disease you want to contribute, the power you give away, and whether you prefer your computer to always be working or only when you are not using it and it's in idle time. That's all. Thank you very much for helping to save lives. You can also be a hero by staying at home. We are going to stop this virus together. Finally, I would like to thank Hannah Thompson for helping me with the English version of this video.